my name is Pax. I'm the welding applications engineer here at TRUMPF Machine Tools, and I'm going to introduce to you our TruArc Weld 1000. Now, given the current job market, it's the right machine at the right time. There's a huge shortage of skilled welders, so shops that run low volume, high mix production that need to automate their welding process but cannot are kind of left in the dark. So that's where we developed the TruArc Weld 1000 for them. Programming is really easy with the use of a collaborative robot where you're able to just simply drag the robot to where you want to start and stop your welds. And that makes your programming really fast and easy, and it's really intuitive that way. So we make it easy for those customers who have the need to find these experts but cannot hire them. Right?
Hi, I'm Fuhlbrigge from Scalable Robotics. And I'm going to show you how Scalable Robotics interface on 3D robot welding cells brings the ability to program and operate a welding cell to the welder. You don't have to know anything more than just how to weld to be able to program this cell. The way we do that is to give the robot a good idea of what's going on. So what we start with is the robot runs a scan of the part. So the robot will come over and make a 3D model of the part. And that's important so that the welder and the robot are seeing the same thing at the same time. Okay? Then what we do is we show the robot where the welds are by using this pen. So it's the same process all the time. You click like an approach, where you want the weld points to be, and the track. It's always the same sort of thing. You do that for each seam you want to teach the robot. And it's just like you're teaching a person. You're showing where you want those welds to go.